Hi guys, and welcome! In this video, we will talk about how to get free Axies scholarships. Before moving further, kindly like this video, subscribe to our channel, and enable all notifications so you don't miss our upcoming amazing videos. With that said, let's begin. The hefty expense of purchasing a starter Axie team is likely the primary factor preventing most prospective gamers from starting on their Axie Infinity journey. If you want to start playing Axie Infinity without breaking the bank, or if you just don't have the means, Axie Infinity Scholarships may be for you. How can you get free Axies? The game's creators, Sky Mavis, have previously said that they are planning on a free-to-play option to attract more players. In fact, they've already been testing the concept for handing away free Axies. Unfortunately, owing to an unanticipated influx of new players, they had to postpone the release of these free-to-play alternatives. Fortunately, there is yet another option for gamers who want to start making money as they play. Scholarship programs are available. What is a scholarship in Axie Infinity? In Axie Infinity, a scholarship is when a manager or breeder offers a scholar a free Axie team. The scholar will then play the game on behalf of the management, earning smooth love potions while receiving a share of the profits. Axie scholarships are not official in-game features, they must be completed outside of the game client or interface. Scholarships became popular in the Axie community because some experienced gamers or breeders have a large number of Axies but are unable to utilize them to earn SLP because playing multiple accounts can be banned. Some ambitious players wish to begin playing but lack the financial means to purchase a starting team. Managers may also assist scholars in learning about the game, which is particularly important since NFT and cryptocurrency games are still new and complicated. Managers could offer advice on how to effectively harvest SLPs or the best Axie Infinity combinations and cards to optimize both parties' profits. Finally, scholarships are an excellent method for newcomers to learn about the more complex aspects of Axie Infinity, such as how to maintain crypto wallets and cash out SLPs. What is meant by a scholar in Axie Infinity? A scholar in Axie Infinity is a player that gets a free starting team from a scholarship manager and earns on behalf of him or her. If you want to play Axie Infinity but don't want to spend a lot of money on a starter team or don't have the money to buy Axies, you can become a scholar. The profits are subsequently split according to a predetermined proportion, which is typically 60-40, 50-50, or 70-30. Scholarship programs benefit the community by allowing managers with excess Axies to generate passive revenue, while students may begin playing and earning without having to invest any money. How can you become a scholar in Axie Infinity? To be eligible for a scholarship and a free starting team of 3 Axies, you must look for Axie academics who are being hired by management or guilds, inform the management that you'd want to be considered for a scholarship, get your free Axies from your manager after you've been approved, and start playing. In order to become a scholar in Axie Infinity, you must find breeders or managers with a large number of additional Axies who are also searching for scholars. Some players or business people establish guilds in which they invest a large number of Axies and employ academics to earn SLP on their behalf for passive revenue. As you would expect, these executives put a lot of money into their Axies. Giving out free Axies is like giving away free money. And how would they know whether they're getting a good return on their investment? This is why most breeders and managers only provide scholarships to people they know and trust. These are excellent beginning places if you have friends, family, or colleagues that manage Axie scholarships. If you don't have any friends or family members that manage scholarships, you'll have no choice but to seek for them in the Axie community. If you're interested in becoming an Axie scholar, here are some resources to look into. Axie Infinity's official Discord server, Axie Infinity's groups on Facebook, look up on Twitter, subreddit for Axie Infinity, YouTubers and content creators from Axie Infinity. As a prospective scholar, though, you will need to demonstrate to potential sponsors that you are trustworthy and deserving of a free starting team. Why would they give out free Axies to a random stranger on the internet after all? This is why it's so much easier to find someone you already know and trust. Most guilds or managers have application procedures in which prospective students must complete out a form with their personal information and history. Consider it similar to submitting a CV for a job application, but instead of a job, you'll be earning money by playing a video game. Well guys, that was it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, do like and subscribe, and don't forget to enable all notifications so you won't miss our upcoming amazing videos. And please share your thoughts in the comments section and provide us with your valuable feedback. If you want to suggest us a topic for the next video, feel free to tell us. See you in the next video, and until then, stay tuned.